Yash always thought success was a mix of talent and timing. Either you had it or you didn't. So when he saw others winning, he clapped and quietly whispered, "Must be nice." He tried things, new habits, big goals, daily plans, but nothing stuck, nothing lasted. He blamed luck and eventually himself. One day, after failing another exam, he met his neighbor, Yash, a calm, focused student who always performed well, but never bragged. Yash asked, "What's your secret? You just lucky or what?" Yash smiled. "Nope, just boring habits." Yash laughed. "That's it?" Yash nodded. "People want motivation. I just built repetition. My brain doesn't ask if, it just knows when." That night, Yash couldn't sleep. What if success wasn't a lightning strike, but a light switch, flipped every day? He decided to try. One habit, 1 week. No pressure. He chose journaling, just 5 minutes a day. At first it felt pointless, but by day 4, he noticed something strange. His thoughts were louder than he realized. Next, he added 20 minutes of focused study. Not perfect, not long, just uninterrupted. No phone, no tabs. Day by day, his focus muscles started waking up. On week 3, he added evening walks without music, just silence and reflection. And in that silence, he found patterns. When he was most distracted, most energized, most anxious, he wasn't changing his life. He was training his mind, little by little, like watering a plant you forgot you planted. One evening, he missed his study session, felt weird, not guilty, just off balance. That's when he realized the habits weren't routines anymore. They were anchors. Months passed. His scores improved. His reactions got calmer, and people started saying, "Wow, you've changed." But he hadn't changed. He'd organized. A classmate asked, "What's the one thing that made the difference?" Yash replied, "There isn't one thing. There's one choice, made daily." Now, he teaches a simple method to juniors, 1 habit per week, no judgment track with honesty. Adjust like an engineer, not an emotional mess. He ends every workshop with a line he wrote in his journal. "Success isn't what you do once. It's what your mind does when no one's watching." And on his wall, next to his desk, hangs a small paper that reads, "Your brain is listening. Every day, train it, or it will train you." Because in the end, Yash learned, success doesn't come to you, it comes from you, one habit at a time.